Welcome back, friends. Today, we're going to talk how to use Affinity Photo to make a green screen to jazz up your videos. Let's say you're making a movie about the end of the world and you want to overlay a man saying the word "wow" over the top. Well, here's how you do it in Affinity Photo. First, let's isolate this man from his background by clicking on the selection brush tool on the left side of the screen and painting over the man to select him. Now, I'll click on Refine and paint over the edges to clean him up a bit. Before clicking Apply, make sure to select New Layer with Mask in the Output selection box. OK. We've removed the background. Next, I'll hide the original layer by selecting it and clicking on the little dot to the right. And now for the wow. Select the artistic font tool and type "wow" over the top of the man. Let's size everything and move into a nice position. Now that everything is in place, I'll select the FX button at the bottom of the Layers panel and add an outline, a bit of 3D effect, and a touch of shadow to make the word stand out from most any background. And now for the green screen. It's really just a green background behind the other images. I'll select a new pixel layer and move it to the bottom. Then I'll use the Fill tool to color in the background. Now I'll change the color to green. Most any green will do, but the hex code 00B140 was recommended for iMovie. Type that specific code in the little box at the bottom right of the color wheel and fill it in. Wow, that looks great. Thanks again for joining me today. If you enjoyed today's content, please click those like and subscribe buttons below. Have a great day, everyone.